All right, hey everyone, Denny Troncoso here, coastaloans.com. I wanted to go over a really cool program that we have available. NMLS number, just in case, I'll throw it out, 388-985. I'll put it in the description as well and at the end, and my number to call me. But this is a program where you can actually get assistance in saving on closing costs when you're buying a home, and something really cool, saving on your interest rate, which right now interest rates are a little bit higher than normal. Actually, historically, not that high, but I know we've been used to those 3 to 5% numbers, and right now they're, ranging in that 6 to 7% range. So let's go over it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so you can see how this all works. All right, everyone. I hope you can see that there. So this is the company that I work with as for qualified mortgages. This is one of the largest mortgage lenders in the country. They have tons of different loan options, and a cool program that they just rolled out is called TRAC, TRAC. And what it is, it just helps you to save money on closing costs. Who loves to save money? Me, raise my hand. So how does it all work? Well, it's a program that helps with the title review and closing process. Depending on the loan amount, you get more savings on the interest rate side. And then they cap the closing costs at $1,600 regarding your title insurance specifically. Okay, so let's be specific. It's your lender's title insurance. Still got to pay your owners, but they cap the lender's title. And I'm going to go over an example. And then they also are able to cap the settlement closing costs somehow. All right, so let's go over some terms here so you can have a little bit more detail, kind of break these numbers down. Closing with TRAC. And then, so it's option one, you can do traditional closing. Let's say your mortgage is $350,000. That's how much you're going to borrow. You have lender's title insurance. It's about $1,915.53. This is in Florida. This could be completely different across the country, depending on what the terms are negotiated between the insurance company, title company, and the state, because these fees are actually set by the state after negotiated with insurance companies. And then we have closing and title search fees. So what the title company charges to handle the closing, do a title search. And then let's say they charge $800. Not too high, but not super low. Something more of in the middle. So that's traditional, right? So you spend $1,915 on title, and then you spend $800, right? Now, let's say you have a mortgage and you're doing it on TRAC, same thing, $350,000. Lender's title insurance, $1,600. And then, because it's capped, right? So the maximum you can pay is $1,600. And then you have $350 if you use a preferred title company that the lender works with. So if you don't have a title company, you don't have a preferred, you can use ours, the lenders, and it's only going to be $350. Or you can get, if you do have a preferred, you can get them to enroll with us, and the maximum is 500, right? So let's say you went with this option with our preferred title company, you save money on the lender's title policy, combined the savings, boom, $765.53. That sounds like a vacation, at least a weekend getaway for the family. So if you're able to save that. And even for some people, it could be a difference between buying a home and not being able to buy. So saving, always good to save, especially when the lenders are paying. All right, then now there's a bonus. I love bonuses. So depending on what the loan amount is, and I shared it here, right? So if it's a loan that's under 150,000, it's an incentive of 60 basis points. So think of 60 basis points as 0.6. So of the rate. So if the rate is, let's say 7, it'll go down to 6.4, right? So because you're getting a discount on the rate. In this example, the loan is 350, so then it would be 25 basis points. So let's say if the rate was 6 3/4, 6.75, in my example, we cut it down to 6.5, right? So you save quarter point on the rate. Now, what does that mean? Well, if the rate was 6.75 on a $350,000 mortgage, the payment would be $2,270.09. And this is an estimate. But then if it's 6.5, then it goes down to $2,212. So you save $57 a month, right? Or about $700 a year. There we go. It's close to another getaway with the family, right? Or it could be a few monthly subscriptions or trips to Starbucks, whatever you're into. So you're able to save some money by using this program, not only on closing costs, but you also save it on the rate. Now, something that people don't really think about, but on the interest side, the total interest that you're going to pay, because these loans is such a long period of time, you're going to pay a lot of interest. Now, what if you were to keep this loan for the 30-year timeline? Most people don't, but let's just do the math so we know what's going on. A quarter point difference in the rate over a 30-year period is $20,000, almost $21,000. It's a lot of money, right? That's a car loan over 30 years. I mean, college education is going to get more, it's going to cost more, but it could be a college, part of a college education, a tuition cost for your son or daughter. So something really to be a really great benefit that's just available there. All right, so now what are the caveats? There are some, fine print got to be aware of on what it works with. The last benefit I'll say, it can get your title docs closed in 1 to 2 days, which is pretty cool. It's only for conventional loans. So no FHA, no VA, no USDA, have to be conventional. So sorry about that. I don't make the rules. I just follow them. Information is subject to change, right? Eligibility is eligible by county. It doesn't replace an owner title policy. So reach out to me. Let me know if you're looking to get approved to buy a home, you're looking, and I can check the county for you. I can let you know if your county qualifies, and then so you can use this program. And then a few other little things are, it's not available for co-ops, manufactured homes, Texas 50A6 programs, HELOCs, government non-agency loans, and not eligible in the state of, I think that's Iowa. For a full list of ineligible products, search the TRAC process guide on the UWM website. And then here's some additional fine print here, just to be aware of, you got to know the APR, the finance charges, all that good stuff. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you got a lot out of it. Be aware of the program. Take advantage of it. If you haven't talked to anyone yet, I would love to help you. Denny Troncoso, CosoLoans.com, blogs, videos available on our YouTube channel. Check us out. Give me a call. Love to help. 407-203-9599. Until then, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.